When people think about making money on YouTube, most people think that they have to have millions of views or hundreds or millions of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Thankfully, there are several different ways to make money with YouTube, and some of these methods to making money with YouTube do not require you to have a large channel or a large following and to have millions of views for a video. And one of these methods is affiliate marketing. So that's what this course is about, is how to make money with affiliate marketing through YouTube. I'm going to tell you why to use YouTube for affiliate marketing. I'm going to cover all the affiliate programs, or at least most of the affiliate programs that I know of that you can use to start affiliate marketing with. And I'm also going to give tips on working with Amazon, because working with Amazon can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to have a video talking about how to work with Amazon. And since Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there. But I'm not just going to teach you how to promote physical products. I'm also going to talk about promoting digital products on YouTube. I'm going to be talking about affiliate disclosure, just for you to be safe and to avoid getting into trouble. I'm also going to be talking about how to build a list with YouTube. And I'm also going to show you how to get more clicks on your videos. Now, why should you use YouTube to promote affiliate products? There are many other ways to promote affiliate products, such as building a list or creating review sites. Well, the thing I like about YouTube is that it's free traffic, and you have an audience of millions and millions of people that you can reach out to. I mean, imagine if your video becomes a featured video, or if it goes viral. So there's a lot of potential as well for putting your videos on YouTube and promoting affiliate products on there. Okay, so it's great for anybody that's starting out, who don't have money to invest, or who don't have a current list of subscribers or audience to market to. And even if you do get a small amount of views or a small amount of subscribers on your channel, you could still make good profits. I'm not guaranteeing it, but I have seen it with other people who start out and within a few months they're already generating handsome profits, even with small views. Because as you know, there's this misconception out there that in order for you to make a lot of money on YouTube, you have to have millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And that is true in some ways, but you know, there are many ways to profit from YouTube, and many of these ways don't require you to have a large audience. Okay, so that's another great thing about YouTube, is that there are many other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And in the following videos, we're going to be focusing on one of them, which is affiliate marketing. So where do you find affiliate products to promote? In this video, I'm going to quickly go through some affiliate networks that you can use to find affiliate products. The first one I'm going to show you here is Amazon, which I'm sure you're already familiar with. It's probably the most popular affiliate network out there for anyone looking to promote affiliate physical products. And the great thing about Amazon, and of course other affiliate networks, is that you don't get paid commissions for just the products that you promote. So if you, or if somebody clicked on your link to go purchase a camera, a $500 camera that you're advertising, let's say they purchased that, but then let's say a day later they go back to Amazon and they purchase another product. Well, because of the way their cookies work, you're going to get paid commissions on that other product as well. Basically, you're going to get paid for other products that that customer purchases after going through your link. So even if it's a totally unrelated product, if it's within a certain time period, you'll still get paid commissions on all the other products that they purchase. Here's another great affiliate network. It's called Share-a-Sell, and a lot of popular brands are on here. Okay, and here is Rakuten Marketing, formerly called LinkShare, and again, a lot of popular brands are on here. And let me just scroll down here. You can take a look at some of the brands that you can promote, such as Walmart. You can promote products from Walmart by signing up as an affiliate at Rakuten Marketing. Okay, there's also Sephora. Let's see what else. Ray-Ban, and the list goes on. Here is another popular affiliate network, CJ, formerly called Commission Junction, and you'll find some good brands on here. And here is Impact Radius, where you'll find some popular brands such as Pet 360. And if there's a particular product that you want to promote but you can't find that, or you can't find their affiliate program on any of these networks, you can just go to Google and just type in the product or the company name and just type in affiliate program, and most likely you'll find an affiliate program for that product or the company. Now, if you want to focus on promoting digital products and courses, such as courses on how to lose weight or how to make money online, you could go to ClickBank. They have digital products on there that you can promote in a variety of different niches. A great affiliate network for internet marketing related products is jvzoo.com, and they do pay instant commissions through PayPal. Another great network for digital products in the internet marketing niche is Warrior Plus, and again, they also pay instant commissions through PayPal. Working with Amazon can be a little tricky, so I've made this quick video just to give you a heads up and so that there are no surprises coming your way. Now, when you're applying for an affiliate account with Amazon, they will check to make sure that you're a real person. So they're going to go to your website or a blog. If you don't have a website or a blog, there are free tools online to make those. Okay. Another thing is, I know it's common sense, but you have to read their rules. A lot of people do not read their rules because, frankly, a lot of people just don't have time, or they do not think that it's that important to read the rules. Okay, they have several rules, a lot of them that may surprise you. So, for example, you can't just use any link shorteners such as Bitly in order to shorten your affiliate links. You have to use the one that's provided by Amazon. Okay. Another thing is, you cannot put affiliate links in emails or PDFs. And you have to use the buy now buttons that are provided for by Amazon. You can't just go on Google Images and look for any Amazon buy now buttons. Okay, and there are several other rules that may surprise you, so make sure you read the rules first to prevent your affiliate account from getting closed down. Promoting products on YouTube should be straightforward. You just have to be yourself. Okay, so if it's a physical product, make sure you've already tried the product and try to show it in the video, and try to mention as many things as you can that you like about the product, and mention one or two things that you dislike about it, or a couple weaknesses, because if you mention those things, your review will be more believable, and viewers will like you more for pointing out any weaknesses of the product. Overall though, your video should be a good review of the product. And if you can, try to turn the product's weaknesses into strengths. So, for example, if you are giving a review of a camera, and let's say one of the things you don't like about it is that it's too small, you could say, well, at least it's easy to bring this camera around with you and it could fit in your backpack. Promoting digital products is similar to promoting the physical products, with a few differences. When you're promoting digital products, try to show the sales page on the video and provide some comments about the sales page. For example, if you find the sales page to be a little too hyped up or a little too hypey, you could mention that. But also mention the quality and the features of the product that are on the sales page, and also try to read some of the testimonials that are on the sales page. Also, try to tell viewers what the upgrades are. So this information should be available on the JV page. And to give people an incentive to click on your affiliate link, try to create some bonuses. You don't have to make the bonuses yourself, but you could just use private label rights content and use that as bonuses. Okay. You should also try to show the viewers the members area. So you should try to get a review copy if you can, and if you cannot, just purchase the product. And customers will see that you actually took the time to review the product. And tell them all the things that you like about the product and mention a couple of things that you dislike. Because like I said in the other video, if you mention what the weaknesses are or what you do not like about the product, people will respect your review more and they'll see that you're being honest. A lot of affiliates do not disclose their affiliate relationship. As for me though, I do not want to get in trouble with the FTC. So what I recommend people to do is to disclose verbally and in text, which is in the description of your video. Disclose the relationship that you have with the product that you're talking about in the video. Now, this is not legal advice I'm giving you. I'm not a lawyer. So if you want some legal advice, go see a lawyer or do your own research. Okay, so I'm just speaking from personal experience and I'm just giving you a tip if you want to follow it or not. Now, when you are disclosing your affiliate relationship, try to be positive about it and try to mention it first thing or early in the video, not at the end, so it doesn't seem like you're trying to hide something. Okay, and as for disclosing it in your description, you could put it at the bottom. Okay, and I provided a sample disclaimer that you could put in the bottom of your description. As you can see here, I'll just read it for you. It says, a disclaimer, this video and description contains affiliate links, which means that if you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission. This helps support the channel and allows us to continue to make videos like this. Thank you for the support. If you want to grow your income even more, I highly recommend that you build a list of subscribers outside of YouTube. So what I'm talking about is a list of subscribers that you could email to whenever you want to promote affiliate offers or even your own offers. So to do this, what you can do is just create a helpful video that provides content. So this could be content on how to lose weight or how to make money with YouTube or whatever your niche is. Okay, so try to provide helpful tips and content in that video. And then about 2/3 of the way in the video, or even just at the end of the video, talk about your free reports, checklists, etc. for that niche. So it could be a checklist of 5 things you need to do to lose weight or 5 things you need to do to make money on YouTube, etc. And provide a link in the description for your viewers to go to sign up for that free offer. Now, building a landing page and creating your offer is beyond the scope of this course, as this course is mainly about YouTube. So I recommend you check out some other courses on how to create your own products, digital products, and how to create squeeze pages and funnels. Now, when you're creating your free products, I've mentioned this before, but you could use private label rights content, and that's content that you could buy or even get for free that you could brand as your own. You could edit it, you could put your name on it and claim yourself as the author. Okay. Now, in terms of collecting a database of subscribers, you will need an autoresponder, and my preferred autoresponder is GetResponse, although I'm sure there are many other great autoresponders out there, but to start out with, I do recommend GetResponse, and that's what I've been using for probably around 10 years now. Once you've uploaded your video onto YouTube, it's important to create a nice looking thumbnail so that you can get more clicks on your videos. I'm here on Google and I typed in digital marketing course review just so I can take a look at the thumbnails for each listing. Now, I've never heard of a course named digital marketing course review, but I just wanted to make an example here for this video. And just looking at the listings here, The one that gets my attention the most is the one on the bottom because of the thumbnail. So I'm showing this to you just so you know that, hey, videos with thumbnails are more likely to get attention and the clicks. Okay, and if I were to go to my YouTube page, here's some more examples of some nice looking thumbnails. Now, to create your thumbnail, there's a free tool that you can use. It's called canva.com, and you just sign up for a free account. And what's great about this tool is that you can create all types of graphics, everything from ebooks to infographics to banner ads to other social media posts. And there's one specifically here for YouTube thumbnails right here. So let's just click on this and you'll be presented with more templates. So you can choose any of these templates here, and you could even upload your own pictures. Okay, but let's just say you choose this one here, and let's just say I'm gonna do a review for a winter jacket. So you could easily edit the text here. Review of ABC winter jackets. Okay, you can edit this text and you can move this text too. And when you are satisfied with the image that you created here, you would just click on download.